I think you are searching about spa shower head, and obviously, the best one. Beside that, following think, are you looking for? Need good quality spa shower head? Need free shipping spa shower head? Looking for shower head having 3 shower modes? Looking for 200% pressurized spa shower head? If the answer is yes, then let's go and stay until end. We are just reviewing the top 3 best spa shower head. Number 1. Zhang G spa shower head, and the feature is material PC plus stainless steel. Panel size 80 mm. Three shower modes: rainfall, massage and jetting. Negative ionic balls, remove chlorine, purify water, improve mineral nutrient absorption, reduce oil secretion, and increase cell viability. Laser perforated technology saves 30% water and increase 200% pressure. Let's go for number 2. PVIVLIS spa shower head, and the feature is material ABS plastic. Cold or hot water control type, auto-thermostat control. Filter, water and anion spa. Technology, 200% pressurize, and saving water 30%. Size, 65 mm shower head, and 220 mm long. Let's go for number 3. ICOCO spa shower head, and the feature is material plastic. Installation type, handhold. Shower head feature, shower heads with arm. Size, 250 and 280 and 280 mm. Net weight, about 200 grams.